Hey guys, this is Everything Like It Now 2 here. Thank you for bring my channel to 500 subscribers. I really appreciate it. So let's get started with this test. So anyway, major changes in the system and panel. You see now, I put some here. I put this here because the door is all messed up and all that. I messed up the door. I was cutting it, but however, it's just to hide the access. But now you can see the controls and everything's on the rest panel now. You can see that. Pretty much the LCD there and the control buttons and all that. So yeah. And to remove this rest panel, you got two screws there to take it out. So yeah. We got the Firelight BG6. Up here we have the ESL 523CS. I will not be doing the heat detector testing on this today, just the smoke part. Over here I have a 7002T, the Wheelock 7002T. Now this is the strobe version. It's not the modified one. This is actually the strobe version. So yeah. And it's going to be doing continuous, like they always do. Over here we got the 404 9101 strobe. Usual heat detector, which I will not be doing today. So yeah. Got the Notifier NBG10, and that's either new in the system. We have an Ansel rebranded Wheelock WST. This is very rare. Very rare. Just to see one of these actually. Actually, to get one of these actually is pretty rare. So, and it's rebranded by Ansel. If you remember JJ Inc. having this, well, I actually have it now. And we got this. And then we got the Simplex 2098 9636 with the 9211 base. Actually, I actually brought that strobe from him, but yeah. Anyway, so, and here we go. Silence it by the net seater. There's that. Okay. Now we're at the pulsation. Okay. We'll reset from the net seater. Okay, and then now we're going to do the notifier once the panel initiates. Okay, here we go. Silence that. You got alarm zone 2. We'll set the BG10 or the NBG10. That's actually not that loud at all, actually, to be honest. Whatever. Anyway, we'll reach the pulsation here. Takes a while. Okay. It's a WST, or they rebranded it as a WST. I forgot the model numbers. I think it's 2477, I think it is. I don't know. Yeah, there it is. Well, I'm silenced. We'll reset. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to do the ESL 523CS. So here we go. Goes. Silence about the panel. There's the actual real alarm by the 0.98 9601. I'm sorry, no. 0.98 9636. Here goes. Silence that. Detector's activated. Yeah, you can see you've got two alarms, this one and then the other one over there. You can see, kind of see over there. So, yeah. So now we'll go ahead and reset the panel. Oh, let me clear out the smoke. Let me clear out the chambers here, so that we don't activate again. Sometimes you usually need to reactivate. Okay, that one's clear. I'm gonna clear this one out too. So, if you didn't know the title on this video, yes, all 80s, well, except in the restroom, but yeah, all 80s. Can't see that. There, can't see that. All 80s. So yeah, except in the restroom, which is not. But yeah. There you go. That's it right there, guys. Thank you for watching, and hope you guys liked it. Thank you very much. And also thank you for the 500. Also thank you for making my channel to 500 subscribers. I appreciate that. So thank you for watching.